This video is on partial quotient of fourth grade skill. So let's think about what it means and what it looks like. When you have a number like 625 and you want to decompose it, break it apart into different pieces. So when you're thinking about partial quotient, of course, you're thinking about the partials of it. What can we break 625 down to be? Now we're going to see what pieces do we find are better to use to decompose 625, and you'll see we chose 600 plus 25. So we want to take the 625, and of course we want to use those pieces and divide them by multiples of 5. So when you think of that 600 divided by 5, 25 divided by 5, you'll see the results will give us 120 plus 5, which gives us an answer of 125. So when you take 625 and partition it into two pieces, you get an answer of 125. Another strategy for dividing is called the Big 7. So let's take a look at that strategy. If you were wondering why it's called the Big 7, it's because it's made just like a 7. So let's think about the two parts from what we did in part 1 of the video. And let's look at 600 and dividing it by 5. And you get 5 times 120 gives you 600. The next part of it, we're going to look at what's left, which when we take 600 from 625, we're going to end up with 25 left. And then we're going to ask ourselves 5 times what is 25? And you get 5 times 5. So when you look at the two partials, you're going to see that 120 plus 5 gives us 125, which is our answer. Solving with partial, this method helps us simplify big division problems step by step. Thanks for watching.